welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebenezer. I know it's been like forever I uploaded a video. Like, I've been so busy with school, but then I'm back like I never left. So for today's video, guys, I'll be showing you guys how to make usi starch. It's the starch is extracted from cassava. The people from Edo State and Delta State, the food is common in that place. So it's actually, I think it's actually from there, the Delta or Edo. They were actually together before, so it's like it's their food. You can eat it with anything though, but then I don't know about obolo or okra. But then I know you can eat it with stew, with banga. It goes perfectly with banga, with egusi vegetable. But then I don't know about all those other slimy soup. So guys, keep watching, subscribe, and share. Thank you. So guys, you want to like mix the starch with water. I'm trying to mix this one. It's so hard. Guys, I'm done mixing. So all I need to do now is to add some few drops of palm oil into this. And I'm going to mix it together. And after mixing, I turn on the heat, turn on the gas cooker rather, and should be ready. You just need to stir it like till it gets thicker. Like see, if you notice, it's already getting thicker. The main work is going to start now. Exercise in the kitchen. And I actually need my 2 hands for this, so I guess I'll just show you guys the end result because I need my 2 hands to work on this thing so it will come out perfectly well. If not, it's going to have some crumbs and all that. See, it's getting thicker. Just need to continue stirring like that. This is the end result. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and share, comment, like. Bye.